Hey guys, welcome back to Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. Today I did so many things, like I made a healthy lunch, I read a book, and later I think that I'm going to watch some TV. These are called connecting words, and they have many uses in the English language. You want to see? Let's watch. Question of the week. Profe Angela, can you show examples of different types of connectors and how to use them? Thank you, Eric Hogg. Great question, Eric. Well, there are different types of connectors in the English language that links together phrases, clauses, or sentences. However, each type has different uses. Here are 3 types of commonly used word connectors in everyday speech: contrast, cause and effect, and sequence. Contrast connectors like but, however, and although are used to show differences between 2 things when you are comparing them. For example, I wanted to go swimming, but I am too tired. The movie was good, however, it was too long. She wanted to go home early, although she still had work to do. Cause and effect connectors like therefore, so, and because show that one event causes another to happen. For example, I woke up late this morning, therefore I missed my bus to work. He overpacked, so he is going to need a bigger suitcase. The doctor was relieved because the patient was showing improvement. Contrast sequence, like first, next, and then, are elements that allow you to organize your speech in a logical order. For example, first, we will eat dinner. Next, we will wash the dishes. Then, we will look at TV.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Write one sentence with a contrast, cause and effect, or sequence connector word. Now remember, with every sentence, make sure your subject and verb agrees with each other, and use a period to complete your thought. And if you need help, search online for an example and share it with us. Hey Eric, thank you so much for that amazing question this week, and good luck you guys on this week's sentence challenge. Remember, if you are my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. Alright guys, that's it for this week on Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of your English language learning experience. I hope you have a good rest of your weekend, and I hope to see you next time. See you!